Are you preparing to put your home on the market and want to make decisions that will boost your value? If so, you'll be happy to learn that one of the easiest and most affordable ways to enhance your home's appeal to potential buyers is by painting. Yes, painting offers the best return on investment when getting your home ready for resale. In this video, I'll delve into the transformative power of paint, provide real-life examples, and show you which colors can help your home sell more quickly and for top dollar. By the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to use paint effectively to maximize your home's marketability. Painting your home can greatly influence how fast it sells and the price it fetches. In real estate, first impressions are vital, and a well-painted home can create a lasting positive impact on potential buyers. I'll present some real listing photos and seek your opinions. These colors are selected to enhance a home's appeal to buyers rather than reflecting personal taste. The objective is to achieve the highest return on investment for sellers. While buyer feedback is important, I primarily focus here on what is selling homes swiftly and profitably. For instance, let's compare two kitchens, one with beige walls and one with white walls. Both kitchens have similar designs, but the white one tends to be more attractive to buyers because it appears modern and clean. When buyers are browsing online listings, their first impression is crucial, and a neutral color scheme is more likely to catch their eye. A neutral palette allows buyers to imagine their own furniture in the space without the need for immediate repainting. It's important to remember that potential buyers often form their first opinion about a property within the first few moments of seeing it, and the color scheme significantly influences that perception. In real estate, the first impression a home makes can greatly affect its chances of selling. When a potential buyer views a home for the first time, they quickly decide whether it fits their needs. This instant judgment is often influenced by the home's appearance in photos and during showings. Utilizing neutral colors helps to create an inviting and adaptable space that appeals to a broad spectrum of buyers. By fostering a neutral, welcoming atmosphere, you can make your home stand out from the competition and attract more potential buyers. It's crucial to understand the distinction between staging and decorating. As a real estate agent, my main goal is to emphasize what makes a home sell. Decorators focus on designing homes for everyday living, whereas stagers and agents aim to make homes look appealing in photos. Even if your home has been professionally decorated, it might not necessarily attract buyers. This is why employing a stager or an agent can significantly enhance how your home is presented. Professional staging can transform a home, making it appear more spacious, clean, and inviting. It's not just about adding furniture and decor. It's about crafting a vision for potential buyers, helping them envision themselves living in that space. Neutral colors are essential. Bold hues like red, yellow, or blue can discourage buyers who don't want the inconvenience of repainting. Neutral shades provide a blank canvas, making it easier for buyers to envision their belongings in that space. This is particularly true for younger buyers who favor more move-in ready homes without needing immediate updates. Neutral colors don't distract buyers. Instead, they highlight the home's best features, such as architectural details, space, and light. Additionally, neutral tones can make rooms feel larger and more open, which appeals to buyers seeking spacious, airy homes. Let's examine some real-life examples. Download my seller's playbook for a comprehensive list of recommended updates and paint colors. This playbook includes specific colors that will help you achieve the highest return on your investment. If you're not staying for the entire video, you can find the playbook in the link below. But be sure to return and watch the full video to learn exactly which colors to choose for your home. The playbook is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to sell their home, offering tips and advice on various aspects of home improvement that can enhance the home's value and appeal. Let's talk about rooms that might not photograph well online. While certain colors can create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere for current residents, they may deter potential buyers. Bold colors can cause buyers to immediately think about the cost and effort required to repaint, which can negatively impact their perception of the home's value. For example, rooms painted red might prompt buyers to feel that they need to repaint right away, leading them to lower their offers accordingly. Bright or unusual colors can make a room feel too personalized, which is great for living, but not ideal for selling. Now let's consider the scents in your home. Unpleasant odors can be a major turnoff for potential buyers. Make sure your home smells fresh and clean by eliminating sources of bad odors, such as pet smells or strong cooking odors. Ideally, removing the source of the odor is the best approach. If that's not possible, use air fresheners or baked cookies, or simmer cinnamon sticks on the stove to create a pleasant aroma. A home that smells fresh enhances the overall impression of cleanliness and care, making it more appealing to buyers and increasing their likelihood of forming a positive impression. Preparing your home for sale is a thorough process that includes painting, staging, making essential updates, and improving the overall presentation. By focusing on details and implementing thoughtful enhancements, you can boost your home's value and appeal, ultimately leading to a quicker sale and a higher price. For more tips and advice on getting your home ready for the market, download my Seller Success Guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for additional valuable information. And thank you for watching. Best of luck with the sale of your home, and make sure you watch this next video.